Hi, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send an approval to a manager rather than an individual person. So the manager will be relative to the requester or the person who's asking for it on the ticket. And so the way that we can do that is in the recipient section of your approval definition, you can go to the advanced mode here and do a search for a ticket field. So if I say ticket.requester dot manager, then that is now going to look for this user field. So in order to be able to set this up, you do need to create a custom user field where the manager's email address or ID is going to sit. So over in your admin center over here under user fields, like so, you can create a new field. It can be a text field. It can be a user lookup field. You could potentially even do a drop-down field, but that would require some manual intervention. Whereas a text field, you could feed it in from an external source like an Okta integration or a Azure Active Directory. Yeah, you create your user field and then you reference it like this. So if you actually have a look at an example user, in Zendesk, we can see this is Inigo, and here is that manager field that we've got set up. And all I have to do is type in his manager's email address like so. And now this approval over here is going to go through to his manager. This manager section here, this is just the ID of the field. So if we search for the manager email field, you can see the field key, which is what you set when you set the field up, is set here. And so that's why we have this in here as well. So now that I've got this ready to go, I'm going to update this approval. We'll create a test ticket so we can test out sending it to the manager. We'll put that user as the requester, like so, submit that. And now when we manually apply this approval by choosing refund approval manager, it's going to say, okay, who is the requester? His manager is this person, as what we've just set. So that is how you set the manager, or one way to set a user's manager as the approver on a ticket.